Welcome to the special edition of the School News Bulletin of DBK Public School. Here are the top highlights of April and May 2026. New academic session 26-27 commenced on 1st April with enthusiasm and positivity. Vaisakhi celebration spread festive spirit among nursery to grade 2 students. NCC enrollment trials were conducted with discipline, fitness activities and patriotic drill. Students showcased creativity during the World Art Day celebration. DBK Public School achieved a remarkable 100% result in CBSE Class 10 Board Examination 2026. Art Day activities promoted environmental awareness and responsibility. Students participated enthusiastically in My Name Art and fruits and vegetable basket activities. Grade 10 toppers were honored during a grand felicitation ceremony. Labor Day celebration taught students the dignity and respect of every profession. Staff members participated in a wellness marathon and yoga session. Mother's Day was celebrated with heartfelt performance and creative activities. DBK Public School collaborated with V Plus U for integrated JEE, NEET and NDA preparation. The school once again achieved 100% success in the CBSE Class 10 Board Examination. Exciting trip to Water Kingdom Panjoy. Summer vacation commenced from 25th May to 30 June 2026. Now news in detail.
New academic session 2026-27 begins with great enthusiasm. The new academic session 2026-27 commenced on 1 April 2026 with immense enthusiasm and excitement. Students enter the campus with cheerful smiles, renewed energy, and a strong determination to learn and grow. Teachers warmly welcomed them and created a positive and motivating atmosphere in every classroom. The school campus was filled with joy as students looked forward to new lessons, new friendships, fresh opportunities, and great achievements. Vaisakhi celebration on 13 April. The joyous festival of Vaisakhi was celebrated with great enthusiasm among nursery to grade 2 students. Children came dressed in vibrant Punjabi attire and participated in traditional dances, fun-filled activities, and memorable photo sessions. The celebration introduced students to the cultural significance of the harvest festival and spread happiness and festive spirit throughout the campus. NCC enrollment trials for session 2026-27. The enrollment process for the National Cadet Corps session 2026-27 was conducted by the NCC staff with great enthusiasm and discipline. The selection process includes a series of rigorous assessments designed to evaluate the students' physical fitness, mental alertness, and oral suitability for the prestigious National Cadet Corps program. The activities include 400-meter run, shuttle race, physical fitness test for both boys and girls, written examination, standard height and body parameter checks. The school campus was filled with energy, excitement, and patriotic spirit as students participated wholeheartedly in every stage of the selection process. Their dedication, determination, and enthusiasm were truly commendable. Participation in NCC plays a significant role in developing qualities such as discipline, leadership, responsibility, teamwork, and love for the nation. The event inspired students to strive toward becoming confident and responsible future leaders. World Art Day celebration. On the occasion of World Art Day, our talented students showcased their imagination and creativity through beautiful paintings, sketches, and innovative craft work. The classroom were transformed into colorful art galleries displaying students' unique ideas inspired by nature, culture, and their boundless imagination. The celebration highlighted that art is not merely a subject but a powerful medium for self expression, innovation, and emotional development. We are proud and delighted to announce the outstanding achievement of grade 10 students of DBK Public School in the CBSE Board examination in 2026. This year, the school has achieved a magnificent 100% result reflecting the dedication, hard work, and determination of our students, the tireless effort of our teachers, and the constant support of parents. A special round of applause for our top achievers who brought Lawrence to the school. Diya Singh 96.6% and Anshika 96.4%, while Yashika scored 95%, Anvi achieved 93.6%, Kanishka and Sarika Chaudhary scored 93.4% and Harsh Goyal along with Divyam Shokam secured 93%. Several students also performed brilliantly in the 80 and 70 categories, showcasing consistent academic excellence across the batch. On this proud occasion, the management of DBK Public School congratulated the students, teachers, and parents for this remarkable success and wished all students a bright and successful future ahead. Earth Day celebration. DBK Public School celebrated Earth Day through a variety of art-integrated activities. Preschool students prepared colorful posters, created cycled paper planters, and made thoughtful drawings, carrying messages such as Save Our Planet. Students of grade 1 and 2 also participated in poem recitation and role play activities, portraying trees, animals, rivers, and young eco warriors. The celebration encouraged students to become responsible citizens and to contribute toward protecting our environment. My name art CCA activity fruits and vegetable basket activity. A little artist turned their name into colorful masterpiece during the My Name Art co-circular activity. Using bright colors, decorative patterns, and imaginative designs, each student expressed their individuality and creativity in a unique and meaningful way. Preschool students also explored healthy eating through the engaging My Fruit in Vegetable Basket activity. Children sorted, matched, and created their own baskets while learning about the names, colors, and nutritional benefit of fruit and vegetables. The activity made learning enjoyable and encouraged students to adopt healthy eating habits.
Felicitation ceremony for grade 10 toppers. A grand felicitation ceremony was organized to honor our outstanding grade 10 toppers and their proud parents. The meritorious students were presented with certificates and attractive prizes in recognition of their hard work, perseverance, and academic excellence. The event was filled with pride, happiness, and heartfelt appreciation for the achievements of our students. Labor Day celebration. On the occasion of Labor Day, students from nursery to grade 2 celebrated the dignity of labor with great enthusiasm. Children dressed as doctors, soldiers, milkmen, gardeners, electricians, drivers, and other community helpers. They also presented roses and greeting cards to the school support staff. The event taught students to respect all professions and appreciate the contribution of every worker in society. Staff fitness marathon and yoga session. DBK Public School organized a special wellness event dedicated to the mental and physical well-being of staff members. The program began with an energetic 7.5-kilometer mini marathon, followed by a refreshing yoga and meditation session. Healthy Ayurvedic refreshments were served at the end. The event promoted fitness, positivity, and team spirit, reinforcing the belief that healthy teachers inspire healthy minds. Mother's Day celebration. Mother's Day was celebrated with great love and warmth by students from nursery to grade 2. The little ones recited heartfelt poems, prepared beautiful cards, handmade cards, and participated in creative craft activities to express their gratitude and affection. Mothers were honored with handmade greeting cards and fresh roses, making the celebration a touching tribute to their unconditional love and sacrifice. DBK Public School and DBK International School jointly celebrated Mother's Day with great joy and enthusiasm at the campus of DBK International School, Nirvana. The event featured fun games for mothers, colorful dance by students, and inspiring speeches by mother. A special felicitation ceremony was also organized where every mother was presented with a Mother's Day card and a fresh rose as a token of love and gratitude. The director of DBK Group of Schools extended warm wishes to all mothers and appreciated their unconditional love and support. The celebration created a joyful atmosphere and beautifully highlighted the strong bond between mothers and children. Academic collaboration with V plus U, DBK Public School established a significant academic collaboration with V plus U to launch an integrated competitive exam preparation week. This initiative will provide expert coaching, prestigious examinations such as joint entrance examination, national eligibility cum entrance test, and NDA for students of classes 8 to 12. Students of Nirvana or nearby areas will now have access to qualified competitive exam preparation within the school campus itself. DBK Public School achieves 100% result in Class 12 CBSE board examination. DBK Public School has once again brought pride and glory to the institution by achieving an excellent 100% result in the CBSE Class 10 board examination this year. The remarkable performance reflects the hard work and dedication of the students, along with the continuous guidance and support of the teachers and parents. In the examination, Dipti secured the first position in the school by scoring 82.5% marks. She achieved excellent marks in physical education with 93 marks and scored 92 marks in biology. Muskan scored 90 marks in English. Out of total 38 students, 15 students secured positions in the merit list, which stands as a proof of the school qualities, education and academic excellence. The school management and principal congratulated all the successful student merit holders along with their parents and teachers for their outstanding achievement. They stated that continued hard work, discipline and positive thinking are the true keys to success. Annual training camp of NCC cadets. Our NCC cadets proudly participated in the annual training camp held from 18 May 2026 to 27 May 2026 at Kunga Kothi District Jail. A total of 24 candidates attended the camp under the supervision of CT Omarjit. The camp aimed at developing discipline, leadership, qualities, teamwork, and patriotism among the cadets through various training activities and sessions. The school wishes all participating cadets a successful and enriching experience. Exciting trip to Voter Kingdom Panjoy Bhatinda. On 26 May 2026, students of DBK Public School embarked on an exciting and memorable trip to Voter Kingdom Panjoy. The trip offered students a perfect blend of fun, recreation, and learning beyond the classroom. Students thoroughly enjoyed various water rides, splash pools, wave attraction, rain dance session, and adventure activities in a safe and enjoyable environment. The day was filled with laughter, enthusiasm, and unforgettable moments as students spent quality time with their friends and teachers. The excursion also encouraged teamwork, social interaction, confidence building, and stress-free learning. Teachers ensured proper supervision and safety measures throughout the trip, making it comfortable and enjoyable experience for all. Students returned with happy faces, cherished memories, and stories that they will remember for years to come. The trip to Voter Kingdom Panjoy proved to be one of the most exciting highlights of the month and was greatly enjoyed by all participants. Summer vacation begins from 25th May to 30 June 2026. As the school concluded its enriching academic activities for the first term, summer vacation commenced from 25th May to 30 June 2026 to ensure productive learning during the break. Students were provided with creative holiday homework designed to promote critical thinking, creativity, reading habits, observation skills, and practical learning experiences. The assignments include activity-based learning, project work, reading tasks, art integration, and family participation activities, enabling students to learn beyond the classroom while enjoying their holidays. Summer vacation, message for students and parents. Dear students and parents, as we begin the summer break, we encourage all students to utilize this time wisely by balancing learning, recreation, and family bonding. Students are advised to complete their holiday homework simply and neatly. Read good books and develop a daily reading habit. Limit screen time and engage in creative activities. Stay physically active through sports, yoga, and outdoor games. Follow healthy eating habits and remain well hydrated. Respect elders and spend quality time with family members. May this summer vacation bring happiness, good health, and creativity, meaningful learning experiences to every member of the DBK family. We look forward to welcoming our students back with renewed energy and enthusiasm after the holidays. These memorable events reflect the vibrant and progressive environment of DBK Public School. Thank you for joining us in this edition of the DBK Public School News Bulletin. This is Anshika with my co-host Shruti now signing off. Jai Hind.